Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be checking out the L'Oreal's Paris's 3-step system for high gloss and shine. And actually, I've already opened up this box and I've actually already used this. So you'll see it basically on my hair a little bit later. But let me walk you through a little bit of the process of what I did. So first they have a glossing shampoo that you use. So this is the first step. And it's all about changing like the pH balance of your hair and sealing your cuticles. That's what makes your hair super shiny, just like this bottle. So then the second step, this is pretty crucial. This is actually an acidic glaze, cuticle sealing, acidic pH, anti-fade UV filter spray. And how you use it is basically after you shampoo, spray this all throughout your hair and then wait a couple minutes, wash it out, and then finally finish it off with the conditioner so that you can obtain results like this. Super shiny, super glossy, love the finish. I mean, it feels so soft. My hair is normally pretty dry, so just having used this, everything, feels super sealed. It is way super glossy, so definitely works. So highly, highly recommend this 3-kit process. If you want to get your own kit, check out the link below. And if you like product unopenings and reviews, make sure to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about this system. Do you like the results? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.